10 years ago, on the 26th of April 2011, the inventor of Bitcoin disappeared, leaving behind his brand new cryptocurrency invention. His final words were a message on a message board where he said, "I've moved on to other things." Now, as we've seen for the last 10 years, the world has moved on to Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has evolved from just an obscure esoteric project created by this mysterious Satoshi guy to something that is far, far grander, $1 trillion financial industry, drawing the attention of governments and their regulation, financial institutions offering it to their clients, corporations looking at how they can leverage it for their own business, and investors looking to profit. Bitcoin itself was created on the 3rd of January 2009 when Satoshi mined the Genesis block, as it was called, or block number 0, another name for it. But back then, the Bitcoin was $1. Check the price now. Now, Satoshi identifies personally as being a 43-year-old male who lives in Japan. Although the clues that you find online don't really back this up. So he uses words like color with an OU and optimize with an S, not a Z, which point to him being more of a Commonwealth origin. So, I don't know, Australia, New Zealand, the continent of Africa, or other parts of Asia. But the trading frenzy around crypto has reached fever pitch in 2021. Many have lost sight, though, of the true reasons why Satoshi Nakamoto invented Bitcoin in the first place. The tenants in his original 2008 white paper made clear that he didn't see it really as solving a technical problem. He really aimed to use it to solve a sociological problem, a systemic problem with the legacy of the financial system and sort of disaggregation of the control of fiat currency. Despite many journalists trying desperately to try to figure out who Satoshi is, he still remains quite aloof and nobody has been able to find him. What's interesting, though, is that his stash of 1 million Bitcoin, that's volume of Bitcoin, hasn't moved. It's projected that that volume of Bitcoin right now is worth about $55 billion. Yeah. It also means that if or when Bitcoin reaches $182,000 a Bitcoin, Satoshi will become the richest person on the planet with a net worth of around 182 billion. Yeah. So all I'm saying is that Satoshi, if you're around, and I mean, if you don't need these Bitcoin, if you don't want them, if they're meaningless to you, look, just come on over and let's have a conversation.